Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site totadblock.com. These pop-ups by totadblock.com may unexpectedly appear in your Google Chrome browser. The trouble with these pop-ups is that they could be the result of certain adware enabled in your computer. They may promote some potentially unwanted software. I'm not going to mention any software promoted by these pop-ups, but let me assure you that such pop-ups can be really deceptive. They may promote adware type extensions, browser hijacking extensions, and other unwanted software. Furthermore, these pop-ups are really deceptive and truly misleading very often. So I recommend you not to tolerate them and instead to leave this page. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. Then, if you find any third-party extensions here, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may obtain the latest version of it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.